spices that will help make you well. Vanilla anti-inflammatory properties. Vanilla, derived from the orchids of the genus Vanilla, is much more than just a popular flavoring. While best known for its aromatic and flavor-enhancing qualities in desserts and beverages, vanilla also has several health benefits, including anti-inflammatory properties. Health benefits of vanilla. 1. Anti-inflammatory effects. Vanilla contains vanillin, a compound that has anti-inflammatory properties. This can help reduce inflammation in the body, aiding in the relief of conditions such as arthritis, and helping to manage inflammation-related pain. 2. Antioxidant properties. Vanilla is rich in antioxidants, which help protect your cells against damage from harmful free radicals and environmental stressors. These antioxidants can contribute to overall health and help prevent chronic diseases. 3. Mental health benefits. The scent of vanilla is known for its calming effects, which can help reduce anxiety and promote relaxation. This soothing property makes it beneficial for mental health and well-being. 4. Heart health. The anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties of vanilla may also contribute to heart health by improving cholesterol levels and reducing the risk of atherosclerosis, a condition characterized by the hardening of the arteries. 5. Supports digestive health. Vanilla has traditionally been used to alleviate stomach discomfort and reduce nausea. Its soothing properties can help calm the stomach and reduce feelings of nausea. How to use vanilla. Culinary uses. Vanilla is widely used in baking, cooking, and in beverages. It's a key ingredient in flavoring cakes, cookies, ice cream, and also in coffee and smoothies. Aromatherapy. Vanilla essential oil can be used in diffusers to create a calming atmosphere in your home or office. It can help reduce stress and anxiety, promoting a sense of well-being. Dietary supplements. Vanilla is available in various supplement forms, including extracts and capsules, which can be used to harness its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant benefits. Skincare. Vanilla extract can be found in various skincare products. Its anti-inflammatory properties help soothe and calm irritated skin, and its pleasant scent adds to the sensory experience of skincare routines. Considerations. Allergy potential. While rare, some people might be allergic to vanilla. It's important to be aware of any allergic reactions, especially when using concentrated forms like essential oils or extracts. Quality of vanilla. The quality of vanilla products can vary significantly. Synthetic vanilla or vanillin might not offer the same health benefits as natural vanilla extract. It's important to choose high-quality, pure vanilla products to ensure the best health benefits. Cost. Vanilla is one of the most labor-intensive crops to grow, making pure vanilla products quite expensive. However, the health benefits and flavor are often considered worth the cost. Vanilla not only enhances the flavor of food and drinks, but also offers health benefits, particularly with its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Whether used in cooking, as an aromatic tool, or in therapeutic applications, vanilla can be a delightful and beneficial addition to your daily routine. Please like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so that you don't miss any of the Good Life with Spice healthcare remedies. Also visit our websites at www.orangeblackmuseum.com and www.orangebooks.com.